What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, today we are going to talk about one of the most outstanding, hottest coins out there, and that is none other than AIOZ Network. This coin has been proven to be one of the top tier coins in this cryptocurrency market in this current cycle. You all know we bought this coin months ago, and shout out to a lot of folks who've been watching your boy Stock Holiday who also bought this coin months ago. We got into this coin when it was just 1 penny, and currently this coin is sitting at 95 cents. Over the past, just this day, this coin is up 3%. Over the past month, this coin is up 192%. And for year to date, this coin is up 500%. We're talking about just from January, February, and March. Over a 3-month period, this coin is up 500%. This coin is currently sitting at a $1 billion market cap. We've already did a 95x in this coin. Shout out to everybody who got into this coin early, but don't think that it's too late to get in this coin. We are still early in the bull market cycle. We're still early in this current cycle. It is not too late to get into AIOZ Network, and it's not too late to get into so many of the various altcoins that I have been bringing to you guys. But one of the special things I like about AIOZ Network is that it is in the AI sector. And we know this particular cycle will be based off of the AI sector, as well as the coins that have real use case in this particular cycle. So AIOZ Network will be leading the blockchain streaming side of artificial intelligence. As we know, just last week, they had the large conference for Nividia. Now that was focusing strictly on artificial intelligence, how to improve it, how to make it faster, so forth and so on. We know the entire world is going off of artificial intelligence these days. The semiconductor companies, the chips that are being manufactured and produced, these things are leading the world industry. And AIOZ Network is not going to be left behind. It will be leading the crypto sector, the blockchain sector for the AI industry. AIOZ Network will be an explosive coin and already have proven to be an explosive coin. That's why I always say you want to pay attention to the characteristics of your coin. And so far, before altcoin season even started, before the Bitcoin habit even started, and before the bull market even started, you've seen AIOZ Network do a 95x. Wow. I don't know of too many other coins that you can say that have done a 95x already. Now we know once altcoin season start, there will be several coins that will do a 95x, a 100x, and some of them will do a 1000x. We're expecting AIOZ Network to be one of those coins that will do a 1000x before this cycle is over. Shout out to all of you guys who've been following your boy and got in this coin when it was 1 cent. Once this coin surpasses 10 cents, that will be a 1000x for all of us who got in early. But this may be your first time hearing about AIOZ Network because it's still under the radar. You don't hear a lot of folks talking about AIOZ Network. You hear folks talking about the meme coin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, which, you know, those coins are all great and well, but you don't hear too many folks talking about AIOZ Network. That's why I say I like the coins that are under the radar. I like the coins that have not got main attention yet, because it's only a matter of time before the popularity and the attention and attraction catches up to AIOZ Network. And once that happens, you can forget about it. If you think this price is too high right now at 95 cents, man, AIOZ Network still have a long way to go. We just got into play early. We got, it took a little bit of luck, but, you know, shouts out to everybody who was able to partake in having a little bit of luck with your boy. But it's still early. It's not too late to get into a play like AIOZ Network. The play is currently at $1 billion market cap. This play can really explode. We've already seen the characteristics of this play. If this play can do a 95x before the Bitcoin halving, before the bull run, before altcoin season, this play can really start to explode. As you can see, it's exploding right now. When we got into this play at 1 cent, we took it to 18 cents in a matter of 2 weeks. Now, once we saw that, we was like, man, this is a coin that is here to stay. And most recently, about a month ago, we seen this coin go from 28 cent all the way up to 98 cent before we had the most recent correction. It did had a little bit of a correction when Bitcoin pulled back from 60,000 from 73,000 to $60,000. All the altcoins pulled back. AIOZ network pulled back from 98 cent all the way down to 60 cent. That's what I was telling folks. Hey, this is another entry point for you to get into this coin while it's red, while it's beat down, because it's not going to be beat down for long. AIOZ network would not be held back. This is going to be one of the top prominent coins in this particular cycle. You do not want to miss out on a powerful coin like AIOZ network. It will be dominating the AI sector in crypto. It will be leading the way, walking hand in hand with companies like Nividia, playing with the semiconductor companies. I mean, this AIOZ network coin is going to do great things. Now, we know we have several catalysts that have yet to come in the year of 2024. We know we're still about 25 days away from the Bitcoin halving, and that is the largest catalyst in cryptocurrency. We know the Feds will still be cutting rates throughout this year. We know we still have the presidential election that's later on this year. I mean, there's just so many things that we are to be expecting, we're to be looking forward to. We have the ETFs that we are dealing with in 2024. January 10th, the spot Bitcoin ETFs was approved. Now they're talking about the Ethereum ETFs. I mean, this is an exciting time to be in cryptocurrency. If this is your first time, if you're a newbie here in cryptocurrency, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. You can hit me directly in the inboxes over there in the Patreon. You can ask me the various questions that you may have, and I will spill out to you the wealth of knowledge that I have obtained over the past 5 or 6 years that I have been in the cryptocurrency market. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Come on over there, join us over there in the Patreon, and I would love to hold your hand and walk you through as we dare to navigate and dominate in this upcoming bull market as we make our way to financial freedom, dominating the market of 2024 and 2025. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Come on over there, hang out with your boy Stock Holiday. I would love to see you over there. And like I always say, now get out there and do it to your service and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.